Sure. Yeah.
Because
Yeah. Thanks. So, hey, Queen Bee Club members. So, this is winter. A nice roaring fire, a good cup of tea, visiting with friends.
talking about 2024 and planning and connecting.
Your goals. What do you want to create? January is not the time for a detox. I don't know. We've talked to so many people and they're like, so January, I'm not gonna worry about anything until January.
I'm going to the gym and I'm doing a huge detox.
The same thing every year. And so what we're suggesting is, no, don't do that.
Be kind to yourself. This is the time for quiet, for hibernation, for dreams, for creating. You're in your chrysalis.
I like that.
You're not a butterfly yet. Come spring, we will take you through a couple of different detoxes safely, but this is the time to have warm food, healthy food, soups and roasted veggies.
Yeah, those yummy things. It's not the
Yes.
time to be drinking cold dandelion tea and things like that.
I would say if you really feel compelled to do some kind of a detox come January, do a detox where you're detoxing sugar or junk food.
Imagine.
Or focusing on organic. Your body will love that and it'll be a gentle detox.
So to help guide you through January and on, we had talked about doing Monday night lives. So on Monday nights, 7 o'clock Central Time, we are going to be coming into the Facebook group and answering and talking about food and medicine and health in general. And so if you have any pressing questions, or even if they're not so pressing, if you have some questions that you think that we might be able to help you with, drop us an email. I'm going to read the emails, so you can send it to Candace at CandaceALawrence.com. Or if you like Dr. Kim better, you can send it to her, Dr. Kim at Dr. Kim Traeger. So we'd love to see you in January at our live events on Monday nights. But remember, January and February, that's not the time to start looking for fresh vegetables so you can do juicing.
Right. We'll wait for the spring for that.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, until we see you in January, have a safe and wonderful holiday.
See ya.